In this video, I want to make it quick. I want to show you how to find the Wi-Fi password of your HP SmartTank 5000 printer in case you want to connect directly to the Wi-Fi direct feature of your printer. So you're going to go on the control panel over here. Make sure there is something on the display. If your display is completely blank, well, simply press the I to wake up the printer. Next step, we need to see the Wi-Fi direct icon, and if we look closely, it will be located on the top left corner right over here. You see, this is the Wi-Fi direct. It's a smartphone with a printer together. If you do not see this icon, press this Wi-Fi button. You may have to press it 3-4 times until this appears. Once it's on the display, we need to find the password. So make sure you have inserted some paper on the back of your printer, at least one sheet, because the password will get printed. So how do you print the password? Well, you're going to press the I button right over here on the printer. So press once, release, and the password should come out. Here we go. If we take a look at the page over here, this is the Wi-Fi direct icon. If we look under, we're going to find the password. The Wi-Fi direct password is 880422, etc. Yours will be different, so don't copy what you see on your screen right now. Okay, so let me show you how do you connect a smartphone using Wi-Fi direct to your HP printer once you have found out what the password is. Connection here, Wi-Fi, and you're going to search for a network. These are all the networks around me, and the Wi-Fi of your HP SmartTank should be in this list. Here we go, SmartTank over here. Now it's time to type the password. You just have to copy the password that you see over here, 880422, etc. Yours will be different, so don't copy mine, there's no point. Then press connect, and the phone will connect directly to the printer. Here we go. Next, open any file that you wish to print. Could be a PDF file or a picture. If you see this, internet may not be available. Obviously, your printer is not a Wi-Fi router, so this is why you get this message. So select always connect and open any file that you wish to print. In my case, I have opened a PDF file. And now to print on Android, you need to click these 3 dots and then select print. On iPhone, it's almost the same thing. You're going to have an icon over here that is a square with an arrow. Click on this and then select print. Then on the top, you need to select your HP printer, this one, HP SmartTank. Then you can change a few settings if you're unsure. So look around here, the paper size, the orientation. Do you want in color or black and white? Do you want to print on both sides of the page? And different things. And once you're ready, click print. And it should come out in around 12 seconds. Here you go. So this is how you use the Wi-Fi direct feature of your HP SmartTank 5000. If you found this video helpful, take a moment and leave a comment. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.